about how can you enable sound effects on your Fitch apps. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down, click on your photo profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just scrolling down until you will find here settings. Just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You will find here sound effects. Click on this side. Like you see, this color show for us. That means sound effects enabled with us now here. So that's all you have to do to enable it. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.